Have you ever submitted an expense report to Expensify and realized that you made a mistake? Or maybe you need to change an expense after it's been approved. In this video, I'll show you how to edit expenses in Expensify. 1. Log into Expensify. The first thing you need to do is log into Expensify. You can do this by going to the Expensify website or app. 2. Find the expense you want to edit. Once you're logged in, you need to find the expense you want to edit. You can do this by searching for the expense by date, amount, or category. 3. Click on the Edit button. Once you've found the expense you want to edit, click on the Edit button. This will open up the expense details page. 4. Make your changes. On the expense details page, you can make any changes you need to make to the expense. You can change the amount, date, category, description, or receipt. 5. Save your changes. Once you've made your changes, click on the Save button. Your changes will be saved and the expense will be updated. Additional tips. You can edit expenses that are in any state, including submitted, approved, and paid. You can edit expenses that you created or that were created by someone else. If you make a mistake when editing an expense, you can undo your changes by clicking on the Undo button. If you delete an expense by mistake, you can recover it by going to the trash folder. Editing expenses in Expensify is easy. Just follow the steps in this video and you'll be able to make any changes you need to make. With that said, thank you for watching.